I'm getting ready to break in my new Predator generator, and I bought a new gas can the other day. You remember back when you could buy gas cans for $5, and now they're, well, this one was $19. That's the cheapest one I could find at Walmart or just anywhere. But now a gas can costs a fortune because the EPA helped us out with that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this one because I've used a bunch of them and I hate them all. But this one, I think it's actually kind of an improvement over the old cans. You can actually start it and stop it without it spewing and leaking everywhere. Let me get you in here close where you can see what this thing does. In order to activate it, you push this little lever down and then you just squeeze it. You grab down here and you shove this part of your hand down. So you can get it over where you want it. Push that and then you just push it down. And you can see it's running. And the flow's pretty good. And then when you're done, you just let off on that green handle and it stops. Now it does take some grip strength, to make that work, but if you have weak hands, you could lean down on it. But I'm pretty impressed with that. The other ones are really pretty crappy. Anyway, I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.